So hello everybody students. So I am Risale Sadiq and let's talk about how to let users move row in a list. How to let users move on a row in a list. Users move and by using onMove modifier in tutorial. In this tutorial using onMove modifier. First of all we're gonna create on the SwiftUI view and which has SwiftUI select and this is onMove modifier. We're gonna create on the onMove modifier. First of all we're gonna create on this array. And what is onMove modifier? SwiftUI gives us simple hooks into list to let us move around by attaching onMove modifier to item in a list and have it call method of our choosing. When a move operation happens, that method needs to accept a source index set and a destination int. Like this, we're gonna create on this example. Suppose this is we're gonna create on this array. First of all, we are going to create on this array. We're gonna create on this array and we're gonna create on this array and so first of all we're gonna create on this array state private var. We're gonna create on this. Suppose this is a mobiles which is type of mobiles which is type. Do not apply on this type. This is direct. We can assign on this value. Well, this is the index. Suppose this is a iPhone 11 first device and second device is Samsung and in this third device is Samsung and we're gonna next device is Nokia and this third device is suppose this third device Lava and second device is fourth device is Oppo and third device is Vivo. Suppose this is a Vivo. Okay, and we're gonna create on this. First of all we're gonna create on this navigation view. Not apply on this navigation. This is we're gonna create on this view stack and we're gonna create on this. Suppose this is a list. Suppose we're gonna create on this for each. We're gonna use the for each loop. Now we are going to use the for each loop. Data, suppose which have our data is mobiles and content id. Sorry, not apply on this content, and we're gonna apply on this id comma id which is type of /self. And we're gonna achieve this element. This is a mobile, one mobile achievement in this case, and we're gonna create on this text. Suppose in this text assign on this value, we're gonna create on this text, we're gonna bind on this value mobile, and in this text apply on this property. Suppose so mobile, in this text apply on this property font is large title, and we're gonna apply on this font weight is bold, and we're gonna apply on this color is, suppose this is a red color. We're gonna resume on this applications. This is a for loop close parenthesis, and we're gonna apply on this onMove modifier dot onMove perform. So index set we're gonna apply on the onMove modifier. We're gonna apply on this move method. Suppose we're gonna create on this move method our structure. This is a view and this is a structure. Okay, and we're gonna create on this function move from source which is type of index set and to destination which have a destination which is type of integer. Value of destination is integer, and add on this method mobiles our in this array of mobiles. Okay, and we're gonna apply on this dot move from offset. So when we're gonna apply this offset is source, and to offset we're gonna apply on the destinations. To offset destination we're gonna apply on destination, and in this modifier we're gonna apply on this move modifier to perform, sorry, on move modifier dot on move. Calling in this move function, okay, and on move. And in this extension we're gonna not apply on this continuous move function, and we're gonna apply on this, sorry, we're gonna, in this is the mobile, we're gonna apply on this text and remove, this is the v stack and this is the view. Okay, we can remove this next view, this is the sorry, not the extra largest, and we're gonna apply the toolbar item. This is the toolbar item, so this is the add in these buttons, and we're gonna apply on this toolbar item dot toolbar, and we're gonna apply on this toolbar, and we're gonna apply on this, suppose this is the edit button use, create on this edit button directly use of SwiftUI framework in this achievement on the SwiftUI framework. Edit button create on this instance, we're gonna resume on this applications, and we're gonna resume on this applications, we're gonna run on this code, run on this application. Suppose this is a not apply on this case, suppose this is not apply on this edit button is remove, not show on this edit buttons, check on this issue, but not this is to show on this edit button. Suppose not apply on this is a navigation view, we're gonna show on this edit button, this is a navigation view, multiple button used in this way. Tap on this edit button, this is shown this Oppo, Samsung and Nokia, Lava and Oppo. We're gonna press on this edit. This is a move modifier, this is a on move modifier used in a list, this is on move modifier use of in a list, on move modifier used in a list in this content, but it's not removed in this application table data. So SwiftUI give us a simple hooks into list to let us move rows around by attaching an onMove perform modifier to item list to and have a call it method of our choosing when a move operation happens. So thank you for watching this video. My channel, like my videos.